Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken changezi. First, let's prepare the chicken. Take 1 kilogram of chicken pieces and marinate them with 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring each piece is well coated. Let it rest for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to penetrate deeply into the meat. This initial step is crucial for a tender and flavorful dish. Next, we'll fry our marinated chicken. Heat approximately 100 milliliters of cooking oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pan over a medium flame. Carefully add the chicken pieces, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and are about 70% cooked through. Once done, remove the chicken and set it aside, reserving the oil in the pan for the next step. Now let's create the heart of our dish, the rich gravy. In the same pan, sauté 2 finely chopped onions until they become golden and translucent. Then, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, cooking until aromatic. Stir in 200 grams of tomato puree, 100 grams of fresh yogurt, and your chosen blend of aromatic spices. Cook this mixture patiently, stirring occasionally until the oil begins to separate from the sides, indicating the gravy is perfectly cooked. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Gently add the previously fried chicken pieces into the simmering gravy. Mix well, ensuring each piece is coated in the rich sauce. Cover and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the chicken to absorb all the wonderful flavors and become completely tender. Before serving, garnish with a generous swirl of fresh cream, a handful of chopped cilantro, and a sprinkle of garam masala. Serve this exquisite chicken changezi hot with naan or rice.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.